Hidden among the emerald islands of the Philippines lies a world that seems untouched by time. A place where turquoise waters blend seamlessly with the deep greens of the jungle. These are the Blue Lagoons of the Philippines, a paradise sculpted by nature's patient hands. As the morning sun rises, the lagoons awaken in a dance of color, sapphire, jade, and crystal blue. Fishermen glide silently across the glassy surface in wooden boats, their oars cutting through the stillness as the world around them stirs to life. The air carries the scent of salt and mangroves, and the gentle hum of tropical birds fills the silence. From above, the lagoons shimmer like scattered jewels, nestled between towering limestone cliffs and hidden coves. Beneath the surface lies another world, coral gardens glowing with life, home to sea turtles, rays, and vibrant fish that move like living rainbows. Every ripple, every shadow tells the story of balance between land and sea, people and nature. In small coastal villages, life remains simple. Children play along the shores, laughter echoing across the water, while elders mend fishing nets under palm trees. For generations, the people here have lived with the rhythm of the ocean, taking only what they need and giving back with quiet respect. As the sun dips low, the lagoons transform once again. Golden light dances across the cliffs, and the still water mirrors the sky in perfect harmony. It's a moment of peace, a reminder that beauty in its purest form doesn't demand attention. It simply exists. The Blue Lagoons of the Philippines are not just a destination. They are a sanctuary for the soul, a whisper from the earth, reminding us to slow down, to breathe, and to see the world as it once was, untouched, unhurried, and endlessly beautiful.